this is Catherine Parker, and I wanted to share with you where I'm spending the weekend. I am in East Texas. I'm at the Thousand Trails, Lake Conroe RV and Camping Resort, and I have a like 2-bedroom, I would call it, camping cabin. So let's check it out. You can see over there is Lake Conroe. People bring their boats. This is a big resort. There's about 300 sites, and I'm in unit E73. There's room for 2 cars. Let's check out the outside of it. Here we go. There is a grill. It's a gas grill. And a picnic table. So let's take a look inside. This unit also has a fire ring over here. So we got stairs to our unit. Again, this is unit E73. Let's take a look on the inside. Here we go. It's got knotty pine interiors. This has got a kitchenette in it. So let's take a look and see what we get. There's not a dishwasher, and there's really kind of a cooktop for 2 pots. Full-size microwave, which is nice. Double sink. It's small, but works. And this is everything that comes with the unit. So they do have a roll of paper towels, some towels, a little tiny thing of dish soap. And let's check it out. Okay, so look, there's some pots and pans in there. I wasn't expecting that. Again, silverware, knives. And dishware. It seems like we've got everything here. That's nice. This unit does come with air conditioning and heating. There's a television and a table with 6 chairs. Now let's go check this out for the kids. Now I brought 3 kids with me. So here we go. We've got a couple of bunk beds. Now this room is, where's the upper bunk? Is small, so it's gonna be tight with their stuff. So it's not really a room, it's just kind of like a hideaway. There's a sofa right there. And let's go check out the other room. So here we go with another room. We'll probably put a lot of storage in here. And this is a full-size bed with lighting. Again, rustic knotty pine, television in the corner, and a fan. Some extra bedding. Let's go check out the bathroom. Again, I'm in East Texas and Lake Conroe area. So here we go. We've got sink, small vanity, and standard bathtub. And over here we have plenty of towels for our stay. Again, I have 4 people, and we're staying here for a long weekend. This resort has got a ton of activities, so I'm gonna go and check some of those out.